welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. Both of the whips out, guys. We got the GTS and the Lime Rock. I haven't driven the Lime Rock, I think in like 2 months it's been since we've driven the Lime Rock. But Nick wanted to do a video with both of the cars, so I was like, all right, I'll pull out the E92 for you. You could drive the E92, I'll drive the GTS. We're gonna go ahead and make some content with these cars. As you can see, we're filling up gas in the E92. And then I wanna get some POVs, a little photo shoot in, and you know, just make some content. So we out here, Vlogmas. I don't even know what day Vlogmas is. What day is it for Vlogmas? I think I'm on part 10, maybe 9, I think.
Bro,
I don't know.
I missed the day, bro.
I miss no days, my G. It's so crazy to see them out together like this, bro. It's freaking sick. All right, guys, so we went ahead and filled up gas in the E92, so he has gas. Hopefully, he drives safe and doesn't break this car, guys, because we all know Nick is known for breaking his cars. Anyways, I think we're gonna go somewhere chill, get some pictures, and do a little photo shoot. As you guys know, he's carless right now, so he doesn't have a car. His car is currently down. Hopefully he gets it back today. I think we might stop by 412 after this to get an update on his car and find out what's going on. But I honestly, damn, I should have drove the E92. The E92 looks way too freaking good, guys. How do you like it?
I hate it, dude.
Get out! Get out! That shit looks fire, bro.
I can't believe I used to drive it.
Yeah, bro, I should see it. This car is so freaking beautiful, guys. There's no way you cannot like the sound of this car and the way it looks and drives. It's just too fire, bro. Look at that. Oh bro, it's so freaking loud. I never hear my car like this, guys. Never. I never hear it. Especially here we go under a tunnel. Oh. Holy shit. Bro, I never heard my car like that before. Holy shit, bro. Yeah, guys. As you can see, both of the cars are out. That shit looks so sick together. Damn.
I want 2 cars again. That shit is sick.
You just need like a Prius or something reliable.
Both my cars are not reliable.
Hopefully you get it back today.
I think it's everything I touch, jeez.
That's literally what I was like, bro, please do not break this vehicle.
Everything I touch breaks. I don't know why.
But yeah, guys, I think last year I calculated, I only put like 4,000 miles on this car last year, but it's crazy. Earlier this year, guys, this car hit 100,000 miles, dude. That's crazy. And the GTS is at 42,000 miles. Then we got Nick behind the scenes. Sheesh, photographer G. I know, you need to get back in your picture game. Your photos are good too. If you guys didn't know, but Nick taught me how to do photography, how to edit, which camera to buy, which lens to buy, basically everything. Even how to do YouTube. He showed me how to edit. He told me what camera to get. He told me how to do thumbnails.
And now he's better than me.
Bro, he taught me everything, literally everything. Bro, just cash me out.
How much?
200 bands. 100,000 for the i2 and 100,000 for the GTS.
200 bucks.
Bro, think about it. 200K and you'll have 2 of like the rarest BMWs that you could
post
get.
them both for sale and just see what people offer.
I'm gonna put it for like 200,000.
Imagine someone really wants to give me 200K though. For both.
Take it. How much?
For both.
How much?
200K.
Yeah, take it.
You would do it?
Yeah.
Someone really give you cash.
Right now, 200,000?
I'm
going straight to the Lambo dealership. There's just things, like I said, you just don't do to these cars. And one of them is air suspension. Wheels, sure. Wheels for sure. But air suspension ride, I can't see it happening on this car. It'd be weird. Not only that, but the roast comments would be insane. Imagine like you bagging the GTS. It's like bagging a GT3 RS. It's just weird. There's just things you do and you don't do. I'm telling him, like, I remember you'd always tell me back in the day, like, air out your, like, buy air suspension, and I never did it.
Yeah, I'm glad
it's
you
just
did
weird though to air out. Rich.
I don't even recognize him.
I don't know. You saw the tats, G.
Maybe. That's funny.
Rich.
But nah, I like the bags though, but nah, this is way better.
Yeah, because you had.
I had
for
bags,
many years.
I already did
on that
it.
car, yeah.
But I could tell like this shit way better. Like
It looks sick when it's aired out, when it's on the floor. It looks hard. And I love the idea that you can never really break a lip. You just air up whenever you want. You can go to any
I just wish it would
driveway.
drive like this. I wish it would drive like Willow.
Yeah. But I was telling him, like, it's just be weird to, like, imagine air suspension on the GTS. Like, you just don't do that.
Yeah.
That'd be like air suspension on a GT3 RS. Like, what the fuck? Bro, you don't do, you know? But I love the idea.
Like a Lambo. Just to like flex on everybody.
Oh, yeah, yes, it's not, yeah. What kind of wheels would you like to see on this car?
TEs.
And what about on the GTS?
TEs, bro, yeah, TEs.
Some BBSs would be sick, I think.
Or even just Apexes, like 18s though.
I did have
Fat
Apex
tires.
at one point. I had Apex EC7s on here at one point for a little bit. Bro, you need to get, yeah, you gotta get the GTR back. And the F80.
I know.
So we could like switch up the cars, yeah, bro. Oh,
That was right now.
damn.
Look at this one.
Oh shit, look at the tire setup, that's crazy. Alright guys, we're gonna go for a little drive. We got Nick in the E92. I wanna drive the E92. I gotta drive the E92 today. I gotta at least be in that seat at some point. Because like I said, I don't really drive the E92 too much. Since it's out, I gotta at least have some seat time in that car. That's gotta be one of the best sounding. Oh my gosh, dude. Bro, there's no way this car sounds like that, bro. That is insane. What?
Shit is sick. Like it's not the fastest, but like,
I know, yeah, it's not the fastest.
Fun.
I'm telling you, should buy it, bro.
And the downshifters are like so responsive, bro. It's crazy. I don't know.
Sheesh. F90 M5 comp. Sheesh. Nardo Gray. That's just fire. Next F80. Still on the lift, broken G. Damn. E63S. Damn, that's a sick ass color too. It's like a bronze. That's just fire. We got a C63. It's nice. And we got a Porsche over here. What's the ETA on your car, G?
Never.
You don't got a car for the weekend.
Bro, I better be done today.
Clean M4 competition. Nicely lowered too. Look at that. Just clean. Got the LCI taillights. Exhaust. And then we have this 4 Series, which I thought it was an M4 for a second, but it's like a baby blue wrap. It's like a 435 or 440i. You got a Supra, all dirty. All right, guys, I got some seat time in the E92. I didn't get to film it because I was too busy doing POVs. So you guys gotta go follow my Instagram. You'll see some POVs of the two cars together, which I've been wanting to do for the longest time. So, all right, guys, once again, we are back here at Daniel's house. And as you can see, he just lowered the homie Chris's BMW M2 competition. So freaking clean on the Haas kit, which is what I'm running on the E92 M3. I'm running the Haas kit. It's a comp, yeah.
That's that. Our motor in it, right?
Yeah, it has our motor. Super nice. Yeah, he just had it lowered.
That shit's nice.
Yeah. The competition is super aggressive, guys. What the only thing I wish though is that I wish it would have came with carbon roof. There's no carbon roof on these cars. I think on the M2 CS it comes with the carbon roof. And we've got a super clean G82 Traffic Gray with the red interior, and it's got the laser lights. Super clean M4. And we got Daniel's G80 and his M4 inside. All right, guys, so as you guys can see by the title and the thumbnail of this video, and you guys are all curious and wondering what happened when I had got pulled over a couple of previous vlogs ago. I didn't get state refed. I got a ticket. I got cited for modified exhaust, even though the exhaust is stock, but whatever. So I just wanted to give you guys a little update on what happened. And yeah, we were gonna go to a car meet, and we did a pre-meet at a gas station. It was me, Nick, Blue Beauties, like all the homies, Ariane with the McLaren 570S. It's funny because we never even made it to the meet. Like we never went. We were just kicking it at a gas station right down the street by the meet. All of a sudden, like all these biker cops come and like all these like SUV cops pull up, and they said we have to leave the gas station immediately. So I told Nick, I was like, yo, let's just go, bro. Like, let's just get out of here. Like, this is too much of a burn and stuff. So I followed Nick. Then behind me was the homie Nikon and the M8. We were basically driving away just to get away from that area. And then all of a sudden, the cop ends up behind Nikon and the M8. And then I had my plates on too. So, because I had already knew, I'm like, I'm going to switch off my plates because I don't want to get pulled over for no plates, you know? Anyway, we drive off. I'm following Nick. And like I said, Nikon's behind me. So I'm in the middle. The cop is behind Nikon for a couple of, maybe like 10, 15 seconds. Then he gets out of the way, comes behind me, pulls me over, said he stopped me for my modified exhaust, which I don't even know how that makes sense because I didn't even make any noise. I didn't like leave the gas station all loud or stupid or anything like that because I already knew there's cops there, so I'm not gonna do anything dumb, but whatever. It's besides the point. Pulls me over, cites me for modified exhaust, even though I told him it's a stock exhaust, titanium, factory BMW exhaust. It's different from a standard M4. Anyway, so if you guys want to comment down below how much is the bail amount for this, you guys can comment down below. But yeah, it wasn't a state ref. He didn't state ref me, so which I'm still lucky I didn't get state refed. But obviously it sucks to still get a ticket for exhaust. But anyway, I guess yeah, I can pay this online or by phone or by mail. And or if I want to go and like fight it, I can. But yeah, the bail amount for this is $244, which isn't bad. Like I thought it was gonna be more for some reason. I thought it'd be like $500 or like $1,000, but I can pay if I want to decide to pay it off, or I can go and go to court and fight it if I want. Which I don't know if I want to do that, honestly. It's just like takes time, you know. Like I'd rather just pay and get it over with, but we'll see. I haven't made up my mind yet, but yeah, guys, that's the update on this modified exhaust that I got cited for. But yeah, I just thought I'd give you guys an update because I'm sure a lot of you guys were wondering, and I think somebody asked, like they wanted to see an update on what had happened when I got pulled over for the exhaust. So I think that's going to complete it for today's video. So hope you guys did enjoy it. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.